And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Matt Holliner.
Welcome back. 6:46 this morning. Good news for the drought. It is less and less of it. This has been a trend over the last few weeks. We're slowly but surely getting rid of it. It's gone in McAllen. It's gone in Weslaco, Mission. A little bit still on the northeast side of Edinburgh. Still some in Harlingen. The worst drought, though better here too, Brownsville, Port Isabel, South Padre, you're in moderate drought. But the severe drought is all gone. And, you know, it was just a few weeks ago. You know, by the time, even when we were starting May, we were in extreme drought in Cameron County and Starr County. So this is good news. Now, in some places, we've just barely been removed from drought. So I would prefer to have a little bit more of a cushion. And obviously, we want to get rid of the drought completely. But rain chances are dropping. Now, they're not dropping for a lot of folks. This is the rain that we're expecting from Cristobal, and there is going to be a lot of it, but not here in the valley. The key is going to be where does the center of the storm go, because right around the center is going to be the worst rain. And according to this model, that's going to be in Louisiana or far western Mississippi. But notice how the flood threat is going to continue up to the north, and notice how there's more rain on the eastern side of the storm than on the western side of the storm. Anywhere in purple, there's a chance of flooding for the weekend. And there absolutely is going to be flooding in parts of Mississippi, Louisiana, and probably on up into Arkansas as well. But flooding here in the valley, absolutely not. We've got 2 more days with a chance of rain. And it's not a good chance of rain. It's isolated showers of storms, the best chance near the coast. That's why this model says western Starr County stays completely dry. Now, I don't think all of even Hidalgo County is going to ultimately see rain, but you have a better chance in Starr County. If you do see rain, it is likely going to be less than ½ inch. And maybe worst case you could see up to 1 inch, or best case if you still need some rain, if you get right under a thunderstorm, but that is going to be few and far between. So no worries about flooding from Cristobal. So when are you most likely going to see rain today? That's probably going to be about 1, 2, 3 o'clock, in between noon and 4. That tends to be sea breeze time. And that's when you're most likely to catch a shower storm, but it's not a good chance. Overall, about a 20% chance of seeing rain. And most of the day, we're just going to have partly cloudy skies. A little bit warmer than yesterday. Highs are going to be around 93. Some patchy fog early this morning. So if you're wanting to run, now is the best time, because then you won't have to worry about any chance of rain whatsoever very early this morning. But the chances there, particularly the early afternoon, that's when I would hold off. Mostly clear with lows around 73 tonight and some patchy fog coming back late tonight as well. Got to talk about that beach forecast. 84 today, or excuse me, for Saturday. 88 on Sunday. A 30% chance of rain Saturday. No worries about any rain on Sunday. However, with bigger waves expected out at the coast because of Cristobal, you're better off doing the boating in the bay than the Gulf because of those bigger waves. A few rip currents are possible on Saturday, but they are likely on Sunday. Sunday is a day where you should not go swimming. So the better beach day because of that looking like Saturday, but be aware there is the possibility for a few rip currents even on Saturday. And also be careful walking on the beach at high tide early in the morning Saturday and Sunday, because waves could reach the dunes. Look how warm the water is, 85 degrees. More news right after the break.